Student, see that how we'll calculate the depreciation as per IT rule. The depreciation as per IT rule, see this one adjustment. A person that he had an opening balance for the year 2019, there is a 9,50,000. This is the opening balance. The rate of depreciation of such particular machines, that is rate of 15%. This is known as block of machines. He purchased a new plant and machinery 1,50,000 for November 1, 2019. That means he bought a machine for 1,50,000 for November. So when we start the April, so our year end is 31st March 2020, and the machine is purchased on November. So the November, December, January, February, March, it's only for 5 months. Put into use, that is, it is only for 5 months. So depreciation will not charge the full on that particular of 1,50,000. And at the same time, he sold a machinery whose written down value is 1,60,000 and its sale proceed is 1,80,000. So according to IT rule, see how we'll calculate the depreciation. This, see, the written down value is 9,50,000. There is a new machine purchase 1,50,000, so altogether is 11 lakhs, and less sale price is 1,80,000. Always remember, in case of accountancy rule, that we are always less the written down value or the cost price of the machine. But here we always subtract, in case of depreciation as per IT rule, the sale price, or we can write as a sale proceeds. मतलब जिस दाम में हमने इसको बेचे हैं तो उसको लेस करने से आया 9,20,000. वेरी सिंपल. अच्छा, जो नया मशीन है वो हमने 180 दिन से कम यूज़ किए, तो 180 दिन से कम यूज़ करने से मेरा डेप्रिशिएशन एज पर IT रूल होता है, जो डेप्रिशिएशन का रेट है वो आधा हो जाता है, 50% हो जाता है. नाउ सी द 9,20,000 तो मेरा टोटल रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू है. इनमें से हम बता सकते हैं कि 1,50,000 इज़ द न्यू मशीनरी. तो पुराना मशीनरी कितना है, तो इससे ये माइनस करने से हो जा रहा है 7,70,000. सो ये जो नया मशीन है 1,50,000, इट इज़ पुट इनटू यूज फॉर लेस देन 182 days. सो व्हाट विल बी द डेप्रिशिएशन? द रेट ऑफ डेप्रिशिएशन इज 15%. सो 15% of 1,50,000. 2,25,000, but it is for the full year. I always tell you that if the machinery is used less than 180 days, so the depreciation comes to 50%. So 50% means sorry, 1,50,000, 15% is 22,500 and 50% is 11,250. And for this particular machines, you should charge 15% for whole year. So how much it will? 7,70,000, 15% of this, so it will come 115,500. Now the total depreciation is this plus this. So the total depreciation, we can add these two things. So total depreciation will be 1,26,750. That will the depreciation as per IT rule, and that will be less from inadmissible expenses. Thank you so much.